What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you will be learning about how to enable the memory function in the Claude. So it's very easy, very simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and search for your settings option. In the setting option you will see multiple tabs: general, account, privacy, billing, usage, and capabilities. Just go to the capabilities and you will see there is search and reference chat option. Allow Claude to search for the relevant details in the past chat. Just toggle it on. Generate memory from chat history. Toggle this on as well. If you want to import your history from the other AI engines like Gemini or ChatGPT, you guys can simply click on Start Import. Then you just have to copy this prompt and paste into that thread of Gemini or ChatGPT, whatever platform you were using previously. Click on it, and then you will be able to import the chat from there and memory from there into this plot. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.